Welcome to LeonCo, welcome to your weekly video. Welcome to LeonCo, welcome to your weekly video, and on this week's video we are culminating our month for June and our topic for preparing for the perfect storm. And what are we going to discuss this month? As we discussed last month of May, the last topic was the stock market, and this is the topic that we want to discuss to culminate our month of June, and how is you can prepare for that stock market crash. And well, there is no certainty that the stock market could crash, that the stock market could go up, because the stock market, there is not one person on this space in earth that can predict the criteria, that predict the circumstances on which the stock market could go up or could go down. We can all speculate on what could happen, but the reality is that we can all prepare, make plans, and hope for the best. So, keeping this in mind, the best way that we believe that you can prepare for a stock market in a financial crisis or in economic collapse or in the perfect storm is that you should be diligent and always have a plan. And why do we mean by this? Here in LeonCo, we always encourage people to have a financial plan, no matter the circumstances, especially when it comes to the stock market. You should always have a plan, and you should always set goal monthly, weekly, and yearly. You should always have a vision of what you want to achieve in the future, and always have a vision in what you want to do, especially when it comes to the stock market. This will keep you motivated, this will keep you highly interested in what you are doing, and this will keep you focused even though when circumstances are not optimal. And why is this important? Because in the event when there is a stock market collapse, if you are investing in the long run, this is a great opportunity for you to achieve those goals that you have in an accelerated way, so that you can maybe accelerate 1 year in investment, 2 years of investment. Maybe if you are very frugal with money, you can accelerate 5 years of investment, because you will have the opportunity to buy stocks, to make investments in a price that is very, very low. And this can mean that you can acquire more options, more stocks in a lower price, that when the stock market goes back up, that you can have the opportunity for bigger gains and bigger investments. This is very important when it comes to investing in the stock market. So let's say the economy collapse, we have a stock market crisis. What is the best way that you can do? Well, if you have a monthly budget of what you are willing to invest in the stock market, you should be very conscious of what the things that you are going to invest, because you could be very tempted to do one or two things. You could be very tempted to, if the stock market starts to crash, withdraw all your money, save those gains, and then when the stock market goes back up in a rally, reinvest. Or you can be very tempted to, when you see the stock market going down, start pouring in money so you can buy stocks in a very low price. Our best recommendation is that you should keep your calm and stick to your plan. There are two ways that you can stick to your plan. You can see that you can set up different types of prices that you are willing to go as far when it comes to buying stocks. Maybe you are accustomed to buy a certain stock at $15 a share, and you see that the stock is going up to $10, going up to $8. Well, you should set your price at is every time the stock goes into $9, goes into $8, I am going to buy a certain amount of shares. And you should go forward with that, because that is the number that you set. Even though the stock could go down from that $9, that $8 set value that you had, you stick to the plan that you were encouraged to. And this will give you that certainty, this will still give you that plan, that security that you're working towards a goal that you want to achieve in the future. This will not create desperation, and this will keep you focused on the task in hand. Something that you should keep very in mind when it comes to a future stock market crash or a financial crisis is that economies are cycles. Sometimes they're up and sometimes they're down, but they won't always stick to the bottom, and they won't always stick to the top. So if in an event of uncertainty that a perfect storm happens and we hit rock bottom, eventually in a couple of months, maybe 2 to 3 years, the economy will be going back up. So if you have the time, if you have a plan, and you have the envision that you can withstand a stock market crash, this is a great opportunity for you to invest smartly, and invest for the future. This could accelerate your life completely, and maybe, just maybe, this could be a life-changing opportunity for you. So, with this weekend, our topic for the month of preparing for the perfect storm. Always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and always remember to have that king mentality.